Draw a butterfly. Try to make your line smooth and even. Woohoo! Imagine what this would look like in real life. Let's color in. Let's go! Let's try a different color for this part. Great job! Keep going! All done! Bye-bye!